Hello dear friends, I'm Madalina and today we are making rainbow cheesecake. This cheesecake was requested by my 5-year-old son. We have obtained an incredible cheesecake that is sweet and sour at the same time, with a perfect biscuit base, a pure burst of color and taste. So let's get started. We need 200 grams of cream cheese, 100 grams of mascarpone, 400 milliliters of natural whipped cream, 2-3 tablespoons of lemon juice, 150 grams of powdered sugar, and a good mixer. We give a good mix till the cheese cream is fluffy but not stiff, just like this. We start by activating the gelatin now. For the strawberry jelly, we need 4 grams of gelatin and 40 milliliters of water. For the cream cheese composition, we need 6 grams of gelatin and 30 milliliters of water. Let these two to hydrate for at least 10 minutes. Now let's prepare the biscuit base. Pour 100 grams of digestive biscuits into a chopper and chop them well. Pour 80 grams of melted and cooled butter and chop again. Now we mix with a spatula to fully incorporate the butter. Pour the biscuits into a 17 cm cake pan lined with baking paper and acetate foil. We spread the biscuits with a spoon. And then, with a glass, press till you obtain a nice and compact layer. Freeze for about 10 minutes. Till then, the gelatin has hydrated. After the gelatin hydrated, it must be heated for 10 seconds in the microwave until it's melted. Be careful not to boil the gelatin because it will lose its coagulation properties. And now we add a bit of cream cheese over the gelatin to bring the gelatin at the same temperature with the cream cheese. You may ask why? Well, because if we put the gelatin directly in the composition, this will coagulate immediately and we will not have a distributed effect of the gelatin in the entire mass of cream. If we clarify all this, now let's mix the gelatin cream mixture really well. After that, we transfer it in the cream cheese mixture and mix again. We are halfway through our journey to bake this incredible rainbow cheesecake. If you are enjoying the process, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Sabrissimo for more fantastic recipes like this one. Now, let's continue. We divide the composition into 5 balls, about 150 grams each. We color the first ball with pink, next with blue, after orange, which is more like peach color, and now we make the yellow one. And the last one, we make it purple. Look what beautiful colors we have for this delicious cheesecake. Now remove the cake pan from the freezer and pour the pink composition over the biscuits and put it back in the freezer for about 5 minutes. Now pour the purple and another 5 minutes in the freezer it goes. After green, yellow and orange. But don't forget to put them in the freezer because you will have a mixture of colors. Now we put the hydrated gelatin for 10 seconds at the microwave for the strawberry syrup. When it is dissolved, pour a few tablespoons of strawberry in the gelatin and mix, like we have done it for the cream cheese. I have 100 grams leftover strawberry syrup from the strawberry cake. You check also this recipe because it's absolutely amazing. Find the recipe for the cake in the upper right corner. We also add a red food coloring to make it a more intense red jelly. Now remove the tray from the freezer and pour the strawberry jelly. Distribute the strawberries over the entire surface. Like I have done, I like to have some strawberry bites because it will make the top even more attractive for the little ones and also tastier. Now put it in the freezer for 4 hours or better yet overnight. Our cheesecake is ready. Take out the tray and now we have the first view. Look what beautiful colors it has. We also remove the acetate foil. To decorate, I use 100 grams of whipped cream and I cut some strawberries in quarters to put them on top of the whipped cream. Our rainbow cheesecake is ready to serve. Let's cut a slice and taste our creation. Look how gorgeous the interior looks. With a creamy consistency, the biscuit layers is crunchy and the strawberry jelly. What a flavor! It has a perfect combination of sweet and sour. It is absolutely delicious. You need to try it. Till then, I will continue to enjoy this slice. Thank you for joining us today in the kitchen. If you loved this recipe, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out what we have prepared for you next. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or suggestion on this recipe. I cannot wait to see you in the next video. Till then, happy cooking!